Treasury Secretary told me we will get clarity on these trade deals in the 90 days. He's not concerned about China weaponizing treasuries, despite that deleveraging that was going on last week. Ryan, what do you make of it all?
Yeah, look, I mean, I think your interview last week, Jamie Dimon, changed everything, by the way. I think the president did hear you in that interview, heard Jamie Dimon. And I think that's the bottom line. This has all been a big negotiation, which I've said on your show week after week. We are the biggest customer in the world. Everyone has to play ball, and that's exactly what you're seeing right now. But I think at the end of the day, it really does come down to China. They have the most unfair trade practices in the world, not just for us, for every other trading partner. They've been dumping their cheap goods on the rest of the world. We don't have the same reciprocity when we sell into China. Their consumers buy nothing on a relative basis to what we buy from them. And you've already heard from China this morning saying they want a point person from the Trump administration to start dealing. So I think this is going to get wrapped up quickly. I think every country clearly is moving quickly to go see President Trump, negotiate a deal. And once we're past this, we get back to the fundamentals. I don't think earnings estimates actually were too high when you take tariffs out of it. I mean, if you look at the consumer right now, they're in great shape. You got wages still growing over inflation. If you look at that retail sales number today, it's going to come in pretty good. And it goes back to my thesis that, people weren't spending the first 2 months of the year because of the cold weather. And believe me, I was out in Soho yesterday, and I know this is just anecdotal, and you get a lot of middle-class people coming in from Long Island, New Jersey. It's packed. People are still buying, and I think they will continue to buy, especially if we figure out what's going on with trade, because bottom line, fundamentals are pretty good, and I think I'm very hard-pressed to see any sort of recession on the horizon here.
And that U.S. consumer is exactly what China needs. Their economy is on the brink. So this is the right time to press forward against communist China and all their undermining by the United States. Ryan, thank you. Always great to see you. Adam, you're with us all morning, and we appreciate that.